सिपाही खड़ा वह अडिग हिम शिखर पर, उसे आज आशीष भरी भावना दो। नदी से छलकती हंसी उनको भेजो, लहराती फसल की उसे अर्चना दो। तड़ित मेघ झुककर उसे दे सहारा, कि जिसने है मस्तक धरा का उभारा। निशा प्रातः सूरज हवा चांद तारा, उसे दे सहारा निरंतर सहारा। जब बर्फ पड़ती हवाएं हैं चलती, जहां नित्य तूफान देते चुनौती। जहां गोलियों की बौछार होती, जहां जिंदगी कष्ट सह कर न रोती। वहां आज हिम्मत लगाती है पहरा, वहां आज इज्जत विजय गीत गाए। कहो मत वहां पर विवश आज कोई, जहां भारत के प्रहरी सदा मुस्कुराए।
सुप्रभात देवियों और सज्जनों। स्पेशल कमीशन अफसर कोष 44 की दीक्षांत परेड समारोह में लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल सुनील श्रीवास्तव, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल एवं बार कमांडेंट अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया, अधिकारीगण एवं जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स की ओर से हम लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल लीना बजाज, कैप्टन देवाशीष साहू एवं जेंटलमैन कैडेट परीक्षित थपलियाल आप सभी का स्वागत एवं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। आज का यह शुभ दिन भारतीय सेना के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा, क्योंकि आज भारतीय थल सेना की नवीनतम प्री कमीशनिंग प्रशिक्षण अकादमी की 17वीं दीक्षांत परेड है। देवियों और सज्जनों, आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि अपने मोबाइल फोन स्विच ऑफ रखें।
सुख दुखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभो जया जयो ततो युध्याय युजयस्वनैवं पापम वापस्यसि। अर्थात सुख दुख लाभ हानि जय पराजय में अपने को सम रख कर युद्ध करो, इस तरह तुम पाप से बच सकते हो। Treating alike victory and defeat, gain and loss, pleasure and pain, get ready for the fight. Then fighting thus, you would not incur sin. With this piece of discourse between Lord Krishna and Arjun in Bhagavad Gita, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Lieutenant General Sunil Shrivastava, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Bar, Commandant Officers Training Academy Gaya, members of the staff and all the gentlemen cadets, we, Lieutenant Colonel Leena Bajaj, Captain Debashish Sahu and Gentleman Cadet Parikshit Thaplial, welcome you all on the momentous occasion of the 17th passing out parade of this premier training institute. Ladies and gentlemen, you are requested to keep your mobile phones switched off during the proceedings today.
Today, 17 gentlemen cadets of the Special Commission Officers Course 44 will get commissioned and will join the noble profession of arms as Indian Army officers. 69 gentlemen cadets of the Technical Entry Scheme Course 41 will pass out after having successfully completed their basic military training. These gentlemen cadets are standing at the dawn of an exclusive, prestigious and virtuous career, which will entrust them to be role models for their soldiers, leaders capable of guiding and inspiring troops and exemplifying the qualities befitting the profession of arms.
आज की इस दीक्षांत परेड समारोह में स्पेशल कमीशन ऑफिसर कोर्स 44 के 17 जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स भारतीय सेना के अफसरों की उस गौरवान्वित सूची में शामिल हो जाएंगे जो अपने अदम्य साहस और वीरता के लिए पूरे विश्व में विख्यात है। इनके साथ ही टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम 41 के 69 जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स अपने मूल सैन्य प्रशिक्षण को पूर्ण कर सफलतापूर्वक उत्तीर्ण होने जा रहे हैं। आज ये जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स अपने जीवन के उस गौरवशाली मोड़ पर खड़े हैं जहां वे अपने पहले कदम के साथ ही अनगिनत प्रतिभाशाली नौजवानों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत बनेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Academy came into existence on 18 July 2011 under the able leadership of Lieutenant General Vijay Sharma, the first Commandant of the Academy. During the historical raising day ceremony, Lieutenant General K. Surendranath, the then General Officer Commanding in Chief, Army Training Command, hoisted the Academy flag. The Academy was formally inaugurated by General V. K. Singh, the then Chief of the Army Staff, on 14th November 2011. Today's parade marks the grand finale of the successful completion of the training of the 17th batch of the gentlemen cadets from the academy.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी की नींव 18 जुलाई 2011 को एक ऐतिहासिक सैन्य समारोह में लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल विजय शर्मा द्वारा रखी गई थी। लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल के सुरेंद्र नाथ, भूतपूर्व जनरल ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ आर्मी ट्रेनिंग कमांड द्वारा उस भव्य समारोह में ध्वजारोहण कर भारतीय सेना के इतिहास में एक नया पृष्ठ जोड़ा गया था। अकादमी का औपचारिक उद्घाटन 14 नवंबर 2011 को जनरल वी के सिंह, तत्कालीन सेना प्रमुख द्वारा किया गया था। आज की यह परेड इस अकादमी की गौरवशाली परंपरा को नई ऊंचाई प्रदान कर अकादमी के 17वें बैच को राष्ट्र सुरक्षा की जिम्मेवारी से जोड़कर देश को एक सुरक्षित एवं बेहतर भविष्य की ओर अग्रसर कर रही है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the colors of the academy are French grey and crimson red. The grey for steel denotes strength and resilience, whereas the red for blood signifies the ultimate sacrifice. The colors thus symbolize the living spirit of the academy, representing all that's noble and honorable. Speaking of honor and sacrifice of the men in olive green, we are reminded of these inspiring lines. Quartered in snow, silent to remain, when the bugle calls, they shall rise and march again.
अकादमी के रंग हैं फ्रेंच ग्रे एवं क्रिम्सन लाल। फ्रेंच ग्रे रंग लोहे को सांकेतिक कर शक्ति एवं सहनशीलता को दर्शाता है, वहीं क्रिम्सन लाल लहू को सांकेतिक कर बलिदान को दर्शाता है। ये रंग अकादमी के स्फूर्ति भरे स्वरूप को सलामी देते हुए एक सम्मानीय एवं उत्कृष्ट दर्जा प्रदान करते हैं।
The motto of the academy, ladies and gentlemen, is Shaurya Gyan Sankalp, literally meaning valor, wisdom, and resolve, which epitomizes the code of conduct of a soldier under all circumstances and times. The academy has earnestly, industriously, and zealously striven hard to inculcate this motto in all the gentlemen cadets passing out from this prestigious institution. Nestled in the land of enlightenment, renowned for its affinity for learning, the academy focuses on cultivation of wisdom, the virtue which teaches these young men to uphold their ideals and follow the best course of action discerningly. The haloed motto encapsulates the ethics of soldiering that spurs resolute and determined action, complete and decisive victory always. It is the fortitude and resoluteness of these young men which enables the Indian Army to protect the motherland under all circumstances and times and plant the nation's tricolor at soaring peaks.
इस अकादमी का सिद्धांत वाक्य है शौर्य, ज्ञान, संकल्प, जो कि एक सैनिक की बहुमुखी छवि को दर्शाता है। एक सैनिक किसी भी हालात के लिए अपने आप को सशक्त रूप में ढालकर एक प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्तित्व को प्रदर्शित करता है। अकादमी ने कठिन परिश्रम, असीमित उत्साह और बड़ी ही गंभीरता पूर्वक इस उक्ति की सार्थकता को सिद्ध करने हेतु जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स को इन विशेषताओं से अवगत कराया है। यह इनका मान और कभी हार न मानने का भाव ही है कि यह नवयुवक कठिन से कठिन परिस्थितियों में भी अपनी राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा में डटे रहेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, spring term 2020 was a little unusual one due to the pandemic COVID-19. Things were tough, but the Officers Training Academy Gaya sailed high on the undaunted spirit of the jubilant gentlemen cadets and the stakeholders of the academy under the passionate, encouraging and visionary leadership. The academy motto, Shaurya Gyan Sankalp, surfaced. Thus the academy braved resolutely and the learning was carried out with due innovation, encouraging self-directed learning that led to the autonomy of gentlemen cadets through ensured directions. Ladies and gentlemen, as we witness the passing out parade, the presence of parents and relatives is being missed out severely due to the nationwide impending lockdown situation. But it's being compensated by an exclusive spectacle through live streaming on YouTube channels to ensure that these proud moments are shared with parents of the passing out cause and the countrymen alike.
The spirit of adventure lies dormant in each human heart. In the army, in the absence of active combat, it is the adventure activities which expose the soldier to uncontrolled, fast changing dynamic situations, thus asking him to prioritize in real time. The Army Adventure Nodal Center, Gaya, has been the pioneer of microlight flying in the Indian Army.
Ladies and gentlemen, in view of the solemnity of the occasion, we request you to remain seated while the parade is in progress. Kindly do not step onto the parade ground to take photographs and restrict the use of flash while taking photographs. You are requested to keep your mobile phones switched off. It is to bring to your attention the fact that it's a matter of great pride for the Academy that the solemn ceremony of the passing out parade is being covered by many esteemed print and electronic media houses, whom also we cordially welcome.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि परेड और मार्च पास्ट के दौरान कृपया आप अपनी जगह पर बैठे रहें। कृपया परेड मैदान में फोटोग्राफी के लिए प्रवेश ना करें एवं फोटोग्राफी के दौरान फ्लैश का प्रयोग ना करें। आप सभी से पुनः अनुरोध है कि अपने मोबाइल फोन स्विच ऑफ रखें। आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें कि इस अकादमी के लिए यह गौरव का विषय है कि आज की दीक्षांत परेड के प्रसारण एवं प्रकाशन हेतु इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एवं प्रिंट मीडिया का सम्मानित प्रतिनिधिमंडल हमारे बीच मौजूद है, जिनका हम हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं।
At present, there are two kinds of entries in the Academy: Technical Entry Scheme and the Special Commission Officers. Training at the Academy commenced on 18 July 2011 with the Technical Entry Scheme Course 25 and Special Commissions Officer Course 28 being the first courses to undergo training within the portals of this Academy. The training period for the Technical Entry Scheme is 5 years and is conducted in 2 phases. In the first phase, basic military training of 1 year is imparted at Officers Training Academy, Gaya. In the second phase, the technical training comprises 3 years pre-commissioning training and 1 year post-commission training is imparted at Cadets Training Wings at College of Military Engineering, Pune, Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, Sikandrabad, and Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mau. On completion of the technical training leg, they earn an engineering degree. The training period for the Special Commission Officer course, however, is 1 year prior to commission in the Academy.
वर्तमान में इस अकादमी में 2 तरह के कोर्स हैं: स्पेशल कमीशन ऑफिसर कोर्स एवं टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम कोर्स। टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम कोर्स का कुल प्रशिक्षण काल 5 वर्षों का है, जो कि 2 भागों में बांटा गया है। प्रथम भाग में मूल सैन्य प्रशिक्षण अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया में एवं दूसरे भाग में तकनीकी प्रशिक्षण कैडेट्स ट्रेनिंग विंग, कॉलेज ऑफ मिलिट्री इंजीनियरिंग, पुणे, मिलिट्री कॉलेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, सिकंदराबाद और मिलिट्री कॉलेज ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग, मऊ में संपन्न होता है। कमीशन होने उपरांत 1 वर्ष का प्रशिक्षण पुनः कैडेट ट्रेनिंग विंग में होता है। स्पेशल कमीशन ऑफिसर कोर्स के लिए मूल सैन्य प्रशिक्षण काल 1 वर्ष का है, जो कि इस अकादमी में संपन्न होता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a momentous and proud occasion for the Officers Training Academy, Gaya, as 17 gentlemen cadets of the Special Commission Officers Course Serial 44 are passing out and getting commissioned, and who will join the fraternity of Indian Army officers today. In order to achieve and maintain very high standards of physical and mental training of the gentlemen cadets, various facets of training like academics, physical training, drill and sports form an integral part of the gentlemen cadets routine. A lot of emphasis is being accorded to participative and interactive learning. The academy is equipped with numerous training facilities as weapon training, swimming, equestrian, adventure and hobby clubs. These facilities help the gentlemen cadets to engage in creative, artistic, and adventurous pursuits.
To give gentlemen cadets an exposure to military environment as well as provide them an opportunity to relax and unwind from their daily routine, excursions are organized during the midterm break to the places of tourist interest.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स को शारीरिक एवं मानसिक रूप से उत्कृष्ट मापदंड पर पहुंचाने के लिए सर्विस प्रशिक्षण, शैक्षणिक प्रशिक्षण, शारीरिक प्रशिक्षण, ड्रिल, खेलकूद एवं क्लब प्रशिक्षण दिया जाता है। यह प्रशिक्षण जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स की रोजाना दिनचर्या का वह अनिवार्य अंग है क्योंकि यह उनमें अनुशासन एवं वचनबद्धता को बढ़ाता है। अकादमी में उपलब्ध विभिन्न प्रकार की सुविधाएं जैसे शस्त्र प्रशिक्षण, तैराकी, घुड़सवारी और क्लब जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स के रचनात्मक एवं कार्यों के प्रति दृढ़ता को बढ़ावा देती है। जेंटलमैन कैडेट को सैन्य वातावरण से अवगत कराने हेतु उन्हें अन्य सैनिक संस्थानों में भ्रमण के लिए भी भेजा जाता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, at present, the Academy has 2 battalions with 2 companies each. Khetarpal Battalion comprises Gurez and Kalidhar companies, and Batra Battalion comprises Titwal and Razangla companies. These battalions and companies have been christened with the names of gallant war heroes and victorious battle honours respectively. Khetarpal Battalion has been named in the everlasting memory of 2nd Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, who was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra, the highest military decoration for gallantry in the Battle of Basanta in 1971. He achieved martyrdom at the young age of 21 years with a service spanning just 6 months. Batra Battalion has been named after the young braveheart Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, who, in order to safeguard the territorial integrity of our motherland, made the supreme sacrifice during the Kargil War. This young hero laid down his life at the age of 25 years with 3 years of service at hand.
वर्तमान में इस अकादमी में 2 बटालियन हैं। प्रत्येक बटालियन में 2 कंपनियां हैं। खेत्रपाल बटालियन में गुरेज और कालीधर कंपनी एवं बत्रा बटालियन में तितवाल और रिजांगला कंपनी है। इन बटालियन एवं कंपनी का नामकरण शूरवीर सेनानियों और विजय युद्धों की याद में रखा गया है। खेत्रपाल बटालियन का नाम 2nd लेफ्टिनेंट अरुण खेत्रपाल परमवीर चक्र की याद में रखा गया है, जिन्होंने 1971 के बसंतर के युद्ध में केवल 21 वर्ष की आयु और 6 माह की सेवा में अपने असीम साहस और शूरवीरता का प्रदर्शन करते हुए वीर गति प्राप्त की। बत्रा बटालियन का नाम कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा परमवीर चक्र की याद में रखा गया है, जिन्होंने 25 वर्ष की आयु और 3 वर्ष की सेवा में भारत मां की संपूर्णता और एकता की सुरक्षा के लिए अपने प्राणों का बलिदान दिया।
Ladies and gentlemen, drill is the bedrock of discipline in the armed forces. It's here, at this parade ground before you, where we lay the foundation of discipline for the future officers of the armed forces. It ensures upright posture, good bearing, turnout, and conduct on parade. If men are to give their best in war, they must be united. Drill instills discipline, which creates a sense of unity in all ranks. To those of you who have an aesthetic disposition, drill movements will symbolize the very rhyme and rhythm of poetry of a well-ordered life. And that's precisely the primary aim of this institution, to train our gentlemen cadets in the art of cultivating a way of life in which the highest and the noblest attributes of discipline, character, and courage are not only blended but are also nurtured and nourished.
The custodian of drill, discipline, and turnout at the Officers Training Academy Gaya is the Academy Adjutant, Lieutenant Colonel Kamaljeet Singh, Sena Medal, 24th Battalion, the Sikh Regiment, ably assisted by the Assistant Adjutant, Major Ram Mohammad Singh, 41 Armored Regiment, and a team of some of the finest drill instructors from a wide range of Indian Army regiments, headed by Subedar Major Manu KM, 12th Battalion, the Maratha Light Infantry Regiment.
Ladies and gentlemen, the officers of the Technical Entry Scheme and Special Commission Officers course have carved a niche for themselves in the annals of our great army, being decorated by winning many prestigious decorations for their gallant acts. They have been honored with numerous gallantry awards for their acts of exemplary valor shown at the times of war and counter-insurgency operations.
भारतीय थल सेना के स्वर्णिम और गौरवान्वित इतिहास में स्पेशल कमीशन ऑफिसर कोर्स एवं टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम कोर्स ने अपनी वीरता और शौर्य का परिचय देते हुए सेना का हमेशा मान बढ़ाया है। इन सैन्य अधिकारियों ने अपने अदम्य साहस और शौर्य का परिचय देते हुए देश तथा सेना को गौरवान्वित किया है और साथ ही बलिदान एवं शूरवीरता का साक्षात उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किया है।
इन्हीं शूरवीरों में लेफ्टिनेंट महेश कुमार शौर्य चक्र मरणोपरांत 5 महार, जिन्होंने टेकपत्री नामक स्थान पर दिनांक 18 जून 2011 को आतंकवादियों के साथ मुठभेड़ में अदम्य साहस का परिचय देते हुए भारतीय सेना की परंपरा के अनुसार अपने प्राणों की परवाह किए बगैर आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया। इस महान कार्य को अंजाम देते हुए वे शहीद हो गए। देवियों एवं सज्जनों, आज हमारे समक्ष अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया में कुछ ऐसे अधिकारीगण मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने अदम्य साहस का प्रदर्शन करते हुए भारतीय सेना को गौरवान्वित किया है। यह अधिकारीगण हैं ब्रिगेडियर सुनील यादवा, सेना मेडल वीरता; लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल कमलजीत सिंह, सेना मेडल वीरता; मेजर अंशुल चौधरी, सेना मेडल वीरता; मेजर प्रतीक रंजन गाउनकर, सेना मेडल वीरता। जैसा कि कहा गया है, देश ही में जन्मे देश पर ही मिट जाएंगे, मरते मरते देश को मगर जिंदा हम कर जाएंगे। हमको रोकेगा फलक अपनी राहों में कब तक, खाक बनकर आंख में उस पर ही बरस जाएंगे। That, ladies and gentlemen, was the markers call, heralding the entry of markers of the contingents to the parade ground. They now emerge through the gate of the fort to take up their respective positions on the inspection line. Ladies and gentlemen, the gentlemen cadets you see marching onto the parade ground are the markers, who would be taking their positions shortly. The rest of their contingent would soon enter the parade ground from behind the ramparts. They have moved to the left and to the right of the parade ground and would be lined up contingent-wise. The markers lined up on the inspection line from left to right, as you see them, are Company Sergeant Major Siddharth Bharti and Company Quartermaster Sergeant Dipanshu Pant. Ladies and gentlemen, soon the advance call will be sounded, an indication for the parade to march through the ramparts.
Ladies and gentlemen, the advance call has just been sounded. And there they emerge through the gate of the fort. You can see the contingents marching smartly onto the parade ground to take their positions, led by the Khetrapal battalion, which will be on the left, followed by the contingent of the Batra battalion. Leading the gentlemen cadets onto the parade ground is Academy Under Officer Bipul Sinha, who is commanding today's parade. At the end of the parade, you can see Lieutenant Colonel Kamaljeet Singh Sena Medal, the Adjutant, Officers Training Academy, astride the magnificent grey charger Twister. You can see two gentlemen cadets marching smartly towards the saluting dais. They are the cane orderlies, Junior Under Officer Akshay Pathak and Junior Under Officer Muhammad Amanullah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is now lined up for review. The order of the contingents formed in front of you as you see them are. To your extreme left are the appointments of Khetarpal Battalion, commanded by Battalion Under Officer Jatin Sharma. The first contingent is Khetarpal Battalion, commanded by Senior Under Officer Vivek Rai. The second contingent is Batra Battalion, commanded by Senior Under Officer Shivam Sati. Next to the contingent of Batra Battalion are the appointments of the battalion itself, commanded by Battalion Under Officer Utsav Alexander. Ladies and gentlemen, the officer to your extreme left, mounted on grey charger Twister, is the adjutant of the Officers Training Academy, Gaya, Lieutenant Colonel Kamaljeet Singh Sena Medal, an alumnus of Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He was commissioned into 8th Battalion, the Sikh Regiment, in June 2005. The officer has excelled in all his mandatory infantry courses and is a graduate of the prestigious Defence Services Staff College, Wellington. Colonel Kamaljeet Singh has garnered rich operational experience while serving in Operation Rhino in Assam and Operation Hifazat in Manipur, where he has been awarded the Sena Medal. Gallantry was the conspicuous act for eliminating 4 hardcore terrorists. He has also served in Operation Rakshak on the line of control in high altitude area in the Uri sector. The officer was posted as Instructor Class B at Infantry School Mau in the anti-tank group. He is also posted as Military Staff Officer in the United Nations Interim Force in Lebanon. He is a qualified microlight pilot with 25 hours of flying and 16 solo sorties to his credit. Colonel Kamaljeet Singh tenanted the appointment of second in command of 24th Battalion, the Sikh Regiment, a newly raised unit, before assuming the appointment of Adjutant Officers Training Academy Gaya on 1st February 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the adjutant and the entire team of adjutants branch who have toiled day in and day out to train these gentlemen cadets in drill and have finally achieved such high standards of drill movements which you shall be witnessing today.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब से कुछ ही देर में परेड की सलामी लेने के लिए हमारे समक्ष मौजूद होंगे ब्रिगेडियर निरंजन कुमार, ब्रिगेडियर क्वार्टर मास्टर, अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is awaiting the arrival of Brigadier Niranjan Kumar, Brigadier Quartermaster, Officers Training Academy Gaya, who would be arriving shortly to take the salute. Brigadier Niranjan Kumar is an alumnus of National Defence Academy Khadakwasla and the Indian Military Academy Dehradun. He was commissioned into 31 Medium Regiment on 14 June 1986. The officer has attended important courses to include Defence Services Staff College course and Higher Command course. A highly qualified officer, the officer has held various command, staff and instructional appointments. Brigadier Niranjan Kumar has commanded a medium regiment at Partapur and was brigade commander of an artillery brigade and an infantry brigade. The officer has also tenanted prestigious appointments such as Deputy AMS Artillery at Integrated Headquarters, Ministry of Defence, New Delhi, Deputy General Officer Commanding of an Infantry Division at Panagarh. He has also served as an instructor in the Field Wing School of Artillery, Staff Officer in the United Mission, Sierra Leone, and the Colonel Training at Chief Instructor, Artillery Center, Hyderabad. During his professional career, the officer has participated in Operation Rhino and Operation Meghdoot. He has been awarded with the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card twice for his illustrious services.
आज इस अकादमी से राजपत्रित होने जा रहे इन वीर सेनानियों का उत्साह कुछ इस तरह बयां करता हूं. हम हैं देश के वीर जवान, यही है हमारी पहचान. हमने खाई है ये कसम, रोकेंगे हर दुश्मन के कदम. बचाएंगे मातृभूमि की लाज, झुकने न देंगे तिरंगा आज. आंधी तूफान से खेलते, हर मुश्किल को झेलते, बढ़ते जाते हम दिन रात, देश सुरक्षा की सौगात. हमको नहीं है इसका गम, लड़ते रहेंगे मरते दम. कश्मीर हमारे सर का ताज, कारगिल पर है हमको नाज. छीन न सकता कोई आज, यही हिंदुस्तान की आवाज, यही हिंदुस्तान की आवाज.
Ladies and gentlemen, Indian Army is synonymous to raw courage, valor and sacrifice. The men serving in this army are considered to be men of steel, born in India's countless villages. Their tough training, their tenure of duty in the forward areas, in counter-insurgency operations and in United Nations peacekeeping operations is all by itself a tale edifice. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Madhuri Kumar, an active and illustrious member of the Family Welfare Organization Officers Training Academy Gaya, is amidst us for gracing the occasion. देवियों एवं सज्जनों, भारतीय सैनिक पराकाष्ठा हैं अदम्य साहस, वीरता, कर्तव्य परायणता एवं निष्ठा की, जो गर्व से सर उठाकर कहते हैं, तन समर्पित मन समर्पित और यह जीवन समर्पित, चाहता हूँ देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और भी दूं. हमारे दिलों में जलती देश प्रेम की ललक और जोश की मशाल. अपने वीरों पर हमें गर्व, हर व्यक्ति हिमालय बन जाए, हर शक्ति हिमालय बन जाए. किस किस को दुश्मन लांघेगा, हम खड़े हैं दुश्मन आ जाए. हर व्यक्ति हिमालय बन जाए, हर शक्ति हिमालय बन जाए. I am a warrior. Defending my nation is my dharma. I'll train my mind, body, and spirit to fight. Excel in all devices and weapons of war, present and future. Always protect the weak. Be truthful and forthright. Be humane, cultured, and compassionate. Fight and embrace the consequences willingly. God, give me strength that I ask nothing of you. This is the code of the warrior, ladies and gentlemen, which everybody in the armed forces proudly follows. In a short while, we would have amidst us to take the salute Brigadier Niranjan Kumar, Brigadier Quartermaster, Officers Training Academy, Gaya. Ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us to take the salute Brigadier Niranjan Kumar, Brigadier Quartermaster, Officers Training Academy, Gaya.
General Salat! Salamat! Just! देवियों और सज्जनों, अब से कुछ ही देर में परेड की सलामी लेने के लिए हमारे समक्ष मौजूद होंगे मेजर जनरल बीडी राय, युद्ध सेवा मेडल, उप समादेशक एवं मुख्य प्रशिक्षक, अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी, गया.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is awaiting the arrival of Major General B.D. Rai, Yuddha Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, who would be arriving shortly to take the salute. Major General B.D. Rai, Yuddha Seva Medal, is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, Kharagwasla and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He was commissioned into 1st Battalion, the Parachute Regiment, Special Forces on 15th December 1984. The General Officer has attended important courses to include Defence Services Staff College course and Higher Command course. A highly qualified officer, the General Officer has held various command, staff and instructional appointments. Major General B.D. Rai has commanded 7 Vikas Special Frontier Force, 7 Sector Assam Rifles, an Infantry Division, and was Commandant, Parachute Regimental Center, Bangalore. The General Officer has also tenanted prestigious appointments such as General Staff Officer Grade 1 and Director Special Operations and Military Operations Directorate, Colonel Quartermaster Operations in Headquarters Northern Command, Director Budget Cell in Vice Chief of Army Staff Secretariat. He has also served as an instructor in the Commando Wing Belgaum and was the military attaché in the Embassy of India, Paris, France. During his professional career, the General Officer has participated in Operation Pawan in Sri Lanka, Operation Rakshak, Operation Bajrang, Operation Orchid, and Operation Hifazat. He has been awarded with the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card, the Vice Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card, and Yuddha Seva Medal for his illustrious services.
आज सिंधु में ज्वार उठा है, नकपति फिर ललकार उठा है, कुरुक्षेत्र के कण कण से फिर 5 जन्य हुंकार उठा है। शत आघातों को सहकर जीवित हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जग के मस्तक पर रोली सा शोभित हिंदुस्तान हमारा। दुनिया का इतिहास पूछता, रोम कहाँ यूनान कहाँ है, घर घर में शुभ अग्नि जलाता वह उन्नति ईरान कहाँ है। दीप बुझे पश्चिमी गगन के व्याप्त हुआ बर्बर अंधियारा, किंतु चीर कर तम की छाती चमका हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जग को अमृत का घट देकर हमने विष का पान किया है, मानवता के लिए हर्ष से अस्थि वज्र का दान दिया है। जब पश्चिम ने वनफल खाकर छाल पहनकर लाज बचाई, तब भारत से सामगान का स्वर्गिक स्वर था दिया सुनाई। अज्ञानी मानव को हमने दिव्य ज्ञान का दान दिया था, अंबर के ललाट को चूमा अटल सिंधु को छान लिया था। साक्षी है इतिहास प्रकृति का, तप से अनुपम अभिनय होता है। पूरब से उगता है सूरज, पश्चिम के तम में लय होता है। विश्व गगन पर अगणित गौरव के दीपक कब भी जलते हैं, कोटि कोटि नयनों में स्वर्णिम युग के शत सपने पलते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Kalpana Rai, Deputy Chairperson, Family Welfare Organization, Officers Training Academy Gaya, is amidst us for gracing the occasion. In a short while, we would have our Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor amidst us to take the salute. Ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us to take the salute Major General B.D. Rai, Yuddha Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Officers Training Academy, Gaya.
General Salute! Salamat! Just!
Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, Lieutenant General Sunil Srivastav, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Bar, Commandant, Officers Training Academy Gaya, the reviewing officer for today's passing out parade, will arrive to take the salute.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अब सभी अपना ध्यान परेड मैदान के दाहिनी ओर ले जाएं। आज की परेड के समीक्षा अधिकारी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल सुनील श्रीवास्तव, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल एवं बार, समादेशक अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया, परेड मैदान के दाहिनी ओर से एक सुसज्जित बग्घी में हमारी ओर अग्रसर होते नजर आएंगे, जो कुछ ही देर में सलामी लेने के लिए हमारे समक्ष मौजूद होंगे। लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल सुनील श्रीवास्तव, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal in Bar, is an alumnus of National Defence Academy Kharagwasla and Indian Military Academy Dehradun. He was commissioned into the Regiment of Artillery in December 1981. The general officer has attended various courses of prestige to include Defence Services Staff College Wellington, Senior Command, Higher Command and National Defence College course. A highly qualified general officer, he holds a degree of Master of Defence and Strategic Studies, a Master of Management Studies degree and Master of Philosophy degrees in Defence and Strategic Studies. During his illustrious and distinguished military career, spanning 39 years, the general officer has held critical command, staff and instructional appointments. He tenanted Brigade Major of a mountain brigade dealing with operations on the line of actual control in the northeast, Colonel Administration of an armored division, part of Strike Corps, Brigadier General Staff Headquarters of an area in the northeast, Deputy Director General in Military Operations Directorate at the Army Headquarters, Senior Directing Staff of prestigious National Defence College, and the Chief of Staff of Headquarters Eastern Command. The general officer has also gathered experience in human resource management as a Colonel Military Secretary at the Army Headquarters. All the command assignments of the general officer have been in the operational areas. He commanded a field regiment and an infantry brigade on the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir and an infantry division on the line of actual control in the northeast. Ladies and gentlemen, during his illustrious service, the general officer has participated in Operation Rhino, Operation Parakram, Operation Rakshak and Operation Vijay and has been decorated with Vishishta Seva Medal on 2 occasions in the year 2014 and 2016 for his dedication to duty. He was elected as Colonel Commandant Regiment of Artillery Group 8 with effect from 1st March 2017. General Sunil Srivastav took over as the Commandant Officers Training Academy Gaya on 13 November 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, on the Republic Day 2020, the general officer was decorated with Ati Vishishta Seva Medal. Ladies and gentlemen, we have heard the fanfare heralding the arrival of the reviewing officer of today's parade, who would be reaching the saluting dais in a short while.
आज अंतिम पग को पार कर भारतीय सेना में शामिल हो रहे इन अधिकारियों की ओर से मैं आप सभी को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि चाहे कितनी भी कठिन परिस्थितियां क्यों न हों, ये वीर सेनानी देश की एकता एवं अखंडता पर कोई आंच नहीं आने देंगे। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूं, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा, जीने का दम रखता हूं तो मरकर भी दिखलाऊंगा। नजर उठाकर ना देखना ऐ दुश्मन मेरे देश को, मरूंगा मैं जरूर पर तुझे मारकर ही जाऊंगा। कसम मुझे इस माटी की, कुछ ऐसा मैं कर जाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूं, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा। आशिक तुझे मिले होंगे बहुत, पर मैं ऐसा कहलाऊंगा, सनम होगा मेरा वतन और मैं दीवाना कहलाऊंगा। माया में फंसकर तो मरता ही है हर कोई, पर तिरंगे को कफन बनाकर मैं शहीद कहलाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूं, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा। मेरे हौसले न तोड़ पाओगे तुम, क्योंकि मेरी शहादत ही अब मेरा धर्म है। सीमा पर डटकर खड़ा हूं, क्योंकि ये मेरा वतन है। ऐ मेरे देश के नौजवानों, अब आंसू ना बहाओ तुम, सेनानियों की शहादत का अब कर्ज दो चुकाओ तुम। हासिल करो विश्वास तुम, करो देश के दर्द का एहसास तुम। सपना हो हिंद का सच, दुश्मनों का करो विनाश तुम। उठो तुम भी और मेरे साथ कहो, उठो तुम भी और मेरे साथ कहो, कुछ ऐसा मैं भी कर जाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूं, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Sujata Srivastav, Chairperson Family Welfare Organization and the First Lady of the Officers Training Academy Gaya, is amidst us for gracing the occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us to take the salute Lieutenant General Sunil Srivastav, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Bar, Commandant Officers Training Academy Gaya, the reviewing officer for today's passing out parade.
General Salat! Salamat! Just! Bajab! Just!
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade commander, Academy Under Officer Bipul Sinha, an outstanding athlete, captain of the Academy tennis team, and a sound tactician, is marching forward to give report to the reviewing officer of today's parade.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है ये परेड मैदान जिसे ड्रिल स्क्वायर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। इस अकादमी का पवित्र स्थल है जिसके लिए सर्वसत्ता, सत्यवादिता, न्यायशीलता ही प्रथम एवं आखिरी प्राथमिकता है।
ड्रिल स्क्वायर के दाहिने एवं बाएं किनारे पर आप देख सकते हैं विजयंत टैंक, जो कि भारत में निर्मित अपनी तरह का पहला टैंक है। यह टैंक 1965 में भारतीय सेना में सम्मिलित किए गए और 1971 के भारत पाक युद्ध में इन्होंने महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया।
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, परेड मैदान की दाहिनी ओर आप देख सकते हैं BRDM यानी टोही बख्तरबंद वाहन, जो थल एवं जल दोनों ही सतहों पर निगरानी करने में सक्षम है। यह वाहन भारतीय सेना में सन 1985 में शामिल किए गए थे। अपनी तेज गति तथा छिपाव पूर्वक निगरानी करने के कारण यह वाहन सेना के लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण एवं उपयोगी साबित हुए।
देवियों और सजनों, सलामी मंच से दक्षिण दिशा में आप देख सकते हैं प्रेरणा स्तंभ। स्तंभ पर तीनों दिशाओं में चेटवुड द्वारा उद्घोषित ऐतिहासिक सिद्धांत, जिसे चेटवुड क्रेडो के नाम से जाना जाता है, नक्काशित किया गया है। यह वह बुनियादी सिद्धांत है जो अकादमी के प्रत्येक जेंटलमैन कैडेट के लहू में दौड़ता है। साथ ही प्रत्येक सैनिक को हर कदम पर अपने कर्तव्यों और दृढ़ निश्चय की याद दिलाता है। यह उत्तम व्यक्तित्व एवं उत्कृष्ट जीवन शैली का संकेत है तथा सदा ही प्रत्येक जेंटलमैन कैडेट के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत रहा है और भविष्य में भी देश पर मर मिटने की भावना से परिपूर्ण करता रहेगा।
The safety, honor, and welfare of your country comes first, always and every time. The honor, welfare, and comfort of the men you command comes next. Your own ease, comfort, and safety comes last, always and every time.
This basic principle of the Chetwood Credo lays the strong foundation of military leadership in the gentlemen cadets of the military academies in India, and the Officers Training Academy Gaya is no exception to the same. That's why these immortal lines find place on the Prerna Stamb of the Academy.
The parade commander, Academy under Officer Bipul Sinha, is now proceeding back to his position to take command of the parade and lead the contingents in front of the saluting dais.
Ladies and gentlemen, the contingents are now marching to the tune of the regimental quick march of the Indian Army. कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा. It was the regimental quick march of the erstwhile Indian National Army of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The tune was composed and arranged for the military band by Captain Ram Singh Thakur in 1942. Ladies and gentlemen, the gentlemen cadets marching before you, their swords and rifles shimmering in the morning light, pledge fidelity to the motherland. On their shoulders will rest enormous responsibilities, which they will fulfill with unflinching devotion.
These young and zealous catalysts of the army will be guarding frontiers and posts located at towering altitude in the ice-capped mountains on craggy frontiers where, other than the enemy, survival against the fury of nature is an challenge in itself. Whether it is the glaciers in the north, the desert frontiers in the west, or the inhospitable jungle terrains of the east, these young men will safeguard the borders of the nation, always and every time.
It is their uttermost duty to ensure the defense of the motherland. The whole nation takes pride in them, and the land resonates with their praise. They who for their country die shall fill an honored grave, for glory lights the soldier's tomb, and beauty weeps the brave.
वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, साथ में ध्वजा रहे, सैन्य दल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं, सामने पहाड़ हो, सिंह की दहाड़ हो, तुम निडर हटो नहीं, तुम निडर डटो वही। वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, प्रातः हो कि रात हो, संग हो न साथ हो, सूर्य से बढ़े चलो, चंद्र से बढ़े चलो, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो।
Today is a red letter day for these gentlemen cadets as the boys have become men, attired in immaculate uniform, arms swinging in perfect unison, heads held high with pride and elan, hearts afire with zeal and enthusiasm. The budding officers tend to declare in unison, not with dreams, but with blood and iron shall the nation be molded at last. देवियों एवं सज्जनों, परेड मार्च कर रही है ओटीए गीत शौर्य ज्ञान संकल्प की आत्मीय धुन पर। शौर्य ज्ञान संकल्प से प्रेरित अजय हम वीर जवान हैं, देश की रक्षा के लिए हम सदैव तैयार हैं। शौर्य ज्ञान संकल्प से प्रेरित अजय हम वीर जवान हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly take your attention to the left of the parade ground. The first aircraft in air is being flown by Colonel Lakshmikant Yadav, officer commanding Army Adventure Note. The aircraft will display the national flag. The second aircraft that will follow will display the Indian Army flag and the Indian Army Service Corps flag, flown by Sipa Vijay Yadav.
Leading the parade is Academy Under Officer Bipul Sinha. The first contingent is of appointments of Khetarpal Battalion, commanded by Battalion Under Officer Jatin Sharma, marching in front of the saluting dais. Followed by the contingent of the Khetarpal Battalion, led by Senior Under Officer Vivek Rai.
The third aircraft that will display the Army Training Command flag and the Officers Training Academy Gaya flag is flown now by Nayak Pradeep Singh.
Next contingent marching in front of the saluting dais is Batra Battalion, led by Senior Under Officer Shivam Sati. And now the contingents of the appointments of Batra Battalion, commanded by Battalion Under Officer Utsav Alexander, in front of the saluting dais. Moving behind the line of contingents is the Academy Adjutant, Lieutenant Colonel Kamaljeet Singh Sena Medal, astride twister. Ladies and gentlemen, the military brass band playing in front of you are the Officers Training Academy Gaya band, headed by Subedar Major Nawab Khan. आज की परेड में अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया बैंड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सुबेदार मेजर नवाब खान। देवियों और सज्जनों, सेना और संगीत का संबंध बहुत पुराना है। प्राचीन काल में युद्ध आरंभ, विराम एवं विभिन्न चरणों का पता संगीत से ही चलता था और इसी परंपरा को कायम रखते हुए आज भी सेना की सभी रेजिमेंट्स के अपने बैंड हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, the contingents are now marching to the tune of Sari Jahan Se Acha, a prominent lyrical composition by a poet and philosopher Muhammad Iqbal. The history of the Indian Army is replete with saga of courage and sacrifice. Our brave soldiers have fought like lions and routed the enemy who has ever dared to cast a nefarious eye on us, threatening the sovereignty and honor of our motherland. With utter disregard to their own personal safety, these gallant brave hearts have displayed an iron will to face all adversities unflinchingly to safeguard our nation's territorial integrity. Our valiant soldiers have also earned laurels for the nation in the field of sports, adventure activities, and as inspiring statesmen who always stand for the good of the country.
शांत हूँ, स्थिर हूँ, अभी तो गहरा भी हूँ मैं, सैकड़ों तांडव लिए ठहरा भी हूँ मैं, हूँ अहिंसा शांति का सच्चा उपासक, भीरू और लाचार हूँ, किंचित नहीं मैं, हो कदाचित विनय अनुनय व्यर्थ मेरे, अधम दंडित करने को शंकित नहीं मैं, शांत हूँ, स्थिर हूँ, अभी तो गहरा भी हूँ मैं, सैकड़ों तांडव लिए ठहरा भी हूँ मैं.
These names are legions and are etched in golden letters in the annals of our history. They, no doubt, will inspire these young men passing out of the portals of this academy to emulate the gallant deeds of these brave soldiers when their day of reckoning comes. The gentlemen cadets, our future leaders, have been burnished at this premier institute, will serve as the bulwark of our nation and further enrich our glorious, historic and heroic tradition.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. गुर्बत में हो अगर हम, रहता है दिल वतन में, समझो वहीं हमें भी दिल है जहां हमारा. गोदी में खेलती हैं इसकी हजारों नदियां, गुलशन है जिनके दम से रश के जना हमारा. मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी वतन, वतन है हिंदोस्तां हमारा. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा. Chakramap Dynasop Dajjal. Right! General Salute! Salamat! देवियों और सज्जनों, अब आप देख सकते हैं कि गुरेज कंपनी, जो कि शरद सत्र 2019 की चैंपियन कंपनी थी, चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ बैनर अकादमी को लौटाते हुए जूनियर अंडर ऑफिसर अंशुमन रमोला परेड मैदान के मध्य में बैनर सौंपते हुए। यह बैनर पूरे प्रशिक्षण काल के दौरान सभी क्षेत्रों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाली कंपनी को आज की परेड के समीक्षा अधिकारी द्वारा प्रदान किया जाएगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, the reviewing officer will award medals to those gentlemen cadets who have performed outstandingly well during the course of their training and will present the Chief of Army Staff banner to the company that has emerged as the best company in the inter-company competitions. This banner is presented to the company that has scored the highest marks in service subjects, weapon training, physical training, drill, and sports. The awards which will be presented today are Silver Medal awarded to the Gentleman Cadet who is first in the overall order of merit in the Special Commission Officer Course 44. The winner is Academy Under Officer Bipul Sinha. He is being commissioned into Army Ordnance Corps. The Chief of Army Staff banner is presented to the company which has performed outstandingly well in all fields in the spring term 2020, and the winner is Gurez Company.
Ladies and gentlemen, Prapaks, the award winners are marching ahead towards the saluting days to be felicitated by the reviewing officer of the passing out parade today. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief of Army Staff banner is now being brought onto the parade ground. Now, may we request Lieutenant General Sunil Srivastav, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Bar, Commandant Officers Training Academy Gaya, to kindly present the award to the proud winners. Silver Medal for Special Commission Officers Course Serial 44 is earned by Academy Under Officer Bipul Sinha. Chief of the Army Staff banner. The champion company is Gurez Company. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a proud moment for the gentlemen cadets of Gurez Company, whose names will be etched in gold for winning the Chief of Army Staff banner for the 5th consecutive term. This is the result of the hard work, dedication, and unbreakable resolve displayed by Gurez Company over the last 6 months. In honor of this victory, the gentlemen cadets of Gurez Company will wear their lanyards on the right shoulder for autumn term 2020. Now, may we request the reviewing officer of today's proceedings, General Sunil Srivastav, to kindly address the parade.
Dear officers, ladies and gentlemen, dear children, proud parents and families virtually present with us today, and proud gentlemen cadets on parade. A very good morning to all of you. It's indeed standing parade this morning. So first and foremost, let me compliment each one of you for having displayed outstanding standards of synchronized drill and movements, despite the fact that the challenge was even greater today, and that you had to maintain greater distances. Your smart turnout, military bearing, fire in your eyes, and grit in your steps, despite the sweltering heat as you prepared for the parade in Gaya, speaks volumes of your josh and caliber. In the same breath, I compliment the adjutant and his entire team for having prepared you so well, as also for having very creatively and thoughtfully moderated and adapted the ceremony to meet the COVID-19 norms. My heartiest compliments to Academy Under Officer Bipul Sinha for having won the coveted silver medal, very richly deserved. And my heartiest compliments once again to Gurez Company for having won the coveted Chief of Army Staff banner. And gentlemen, my compliments to each one of you for having done an outstanding job during your stay here. You have trained under unprecedented challenges posed by COVID-19, You had to take a major ownership of your own self-development. And let me tell you, you have emerged even stronger. So my compliments to each one of you. Very shortly, 17 gentlemen cadets of the SCO 44 course will be taking their Antim Pag, which will mark the culmination of their training here, and thereafter will go on to take the Pehla Kadam, their first step as commissioned officers. So while you reflect on this transition and the challenging yet exciting journey ahead, I wish to give you a construct of 3 C's to reflect upon the journey ahead. And the first C is the context in which you are going to lead. And the second C is the command ethos that you must have, given the climate in which you're going to lead. And the last C is the commitment that we seek from you. The context, gentlemen, is one of global turmoil, and that is not going to end anytime in the foreseeable future. The security environment the world over is more uncertain and complex than ever before. COVID-19 was a catalyst, and it brought to the fore all the underlying fissures that the world had. And what we are seeing today is a more polarized and fragmented world than we have seen in the recent times. That's not going to change. Very sadly, despite the loss of unprecedentedly high number of lives and severe setbacks to economies of each country, every country in the world, what we are seeing today is that countries have embarked upon a competition and conflict continuum. And suddenly, we have seen a rash of conflicts which are simmering under the surface of armed threshold. Closer home, in our neighborhood, what we are witnessing is a more strident manifestation of hybrid and grey warfare by some of our neighbors. They are attempting to spew fake narratives, and they are attempting to jockey for advantage, all in vain. For our country, our leadership, and our armed forces have given a measured, calibrated, proactive response, a resolute response across all the domains: psychological, information, cyber, space, warfare, as well as the traditional domains of land, sea, and air. And from tomorrow onwards, techno warriors like you will take up this resolute response. You will leverage technology in innovative ways to make sure that we are always an overmatch for all our adversaries. And at the cutting edge level, at the tactical level, you will apply yourselves creatively and innovatively adapt all your techniques, tactics, and procedures to ensure that you gain an asymmetric advantage, particularly in gray situations. And if this is the context in which you're going to lead, what should be your command ethos? Gentlemen, let me tell you, you're going to be operating and fighting in small, cohesive teams. So if that is the challenge ahead, then your teams have to be such where you trust the decision and actions of all your subordinates. For that, you will have to train them well. You will have to prepare them well. And while doing that, you must accept genuine mistakes. For unless you do that, you will not be breeding winners. Remember that you have the role of a mentor and a coach. One of the most important tasks that you have ahead of you is to inspire and influence everybody with you, around you, subordinate to you. And to do that, remember your actions must always speak louder than your words. Your actions must always be beyond reproach. And to do all of this, what is the commitment that we seek from you? Gentlemen, the path that you have chosen is long and hard. And there will be daunting challenges. The fight and the conflict ahead is going to be fierce, gray, and protracted. And there will be moments, there will be trying times, there will be tough times. And whenever you are faced with those, always look back at the time that you have spent in the academy. It's here that you have shown resolute determination to overcome any and every challenge that came your way. You went through ups and downs, hopes and despair, but you took everything in your stride. There were times when you were down, but you always rose from the ashes like a phoenix. So continue to have that faith in your own capabilities. Continue to believe in the motto of the academy, Shaurya, Gyan, or Sankalp. Continue to live honorably, for we can promote values only if we live by them. Continue to create a climate of trust and respect around you, because that is the very bedrock of our unique ethos. And if you ask me, is there any silver bullet for doing all of this, for going through your journey smoothly and successfully? I would say, know your men, master your job, and give your best, the very best, every living day of your service. Today is also a very proud day for the proud parents and family members. We regret our inability to have called them here to be with you, but we have ensured their virtual presence, and their proud heartbeats were reverberating on this parade ground just a while back as you marched, and they resonated with mine and those of everyone else present here or watching the parade. I compliment all the proud parents and family members. I also compliment today the gentlemen cadets of TES 35 who trained with us for 1 year for their basic military training leg. And under the usual circumstances, they would have joined you here on the parade ground today. But because of the pandemic, their graduation ceremony is being held in respective cadet training wings. My compliments and best wishes to each one of them, each one of the 81 gentlemen cadets being commissioned into the Indian Army and 5 Bhutanese cadets being commissioned into the Royal Bhutanese Army. We are proud of them. I also take this opportunity to compliment the gentlemen cadets of TES 41. You have just completed today 1 year of your grueling training here with us. We are very proud of your singular achievements, and we are confident that the remaining 4 years of training will be equally fruitful and beneficial for you. Best wishes to each one of you and to the 10 foreign gentlemen cadets from Bhutan, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka who have trained with you. I also take this opportunity to convey my gratitude and thanks to hundreds of civilian employees who have been very critical and instrumental in making sure that you succeed in our fight against COVID-19. They sacrificed their homes, and they came and stayed at the academy to make sure that you remain ring-fenced. My compliments and thanks to each one of them. My gratitude also to each COVID warrior in Gaya station. Our war against COVID-19 is far from being over, and I exhort each one of you to carry on fighting, to praise from the bottom of my heart our ustads, team of instructors, faculty members, and everyone in the academy who rose up to the challenge and adapted the learning environment, the leadership development ecosystem to make sure that the learning outcomes are not compromised despite COVID-19. Their efforts and what we have seen of your passion, perseverance, and promise, we are confident that you're going to be winners and game changers anywhere. Godspeed, best wishes, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your golden words of guidance, appreciation, insight, and inspiration. That's a source of strength to one and all present here, and especially the passing out course, special commission officers, and those graduating to respective cadet training wings. Ladies and gentlemen, the passing out gentlemen cadets will soon take formal leave of this institution. Shortly, the band will play the soulful melody, All Land Sign, which will orchestrate the slow march leading to the symbolic seminal anthem Pag.
The championship banner is now being handed over by the senior under officer Vivek Rai of Gurez Company, the champion company of this term, to the representative of the junior course, which is symbolic and will serve as an inspiration for the junior course to emulate their seniors in the coming term. Ladies and gentlemen, for the gentlemen cadets, the day has come to say goodbye to their alma mater, which has been their home for many months. The passing out gentlemen cadets will shortly come forward in slow march past the saluting dais to take their final steps.
on, gentlemen, cadet! दो में बारी बारी से धीरे चाल से अंतिम पग से गुजरेगा परेड धन्यवाद धन्यवाद सब धीरे चल.
Ladies and gentlemen, please look in front beyond the fort wall. Approaching towards us, the aircrafts of Flying Rabbits, this time to shower flower petals to mark the passing out parade of the Special Commission Officers Course Serial 44. Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind, should all acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne. This melodious tune of Auld Lang Syne, the lyrics of which were composed by Robert Burns, has never failed to bring back memories to many minds, nostalgia to many hearts, and tears to many eyes. With that, we put voice to the silent prayer of all the proud parents and guardians who are virtually present with us for the passing out parade. This is the prayer I say tonight. It's for my loved one who must fight. This prayer is not for this one alone, but for all the military far from home.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly look towards the right of the parade ground. You will see a 5+ by the microlight flight carrying the banners of the Flying Rabbits, motto of the Indian Army, service before self, and adieu to the passing out course.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the pilots and the co-pilots of the Flying Rabbits, as we know that flying with flags render its own kind of difficulties.
भविष्य में इन बहादुर अधिकारियों को कड़ी चुनौतियों का सामना करना होगा. इन सैनिकों के लिए यह बदलाव मात्र जेंटलमैन कैडेट से अधिकारी बनने तक का ही नहीं, बल्कि हर कदम हर मोड़ पर अपने सैनिकों को अपने अदम्य साहस से प्रोत्साहित करना है. जिस प्रकार हर शुरुआत का अंत निश्चित है, उसी प्रकार इस ऐतिहासिक पासिंग आउट परेड का अंत दंडपाल की सलामी के साथ होता है. अब आज की परेड के समीक्षा अधिकारी आगंतुक हस्ताक्षर पुस्तिका में अपने हस्ताक्षर करेंगे. यहाँ मौजूद अतिथिगण एवं जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स के अभिभावकों से अनुरोध है कि वे अपने स्थान पर बने रहें. Ladies and gentlemen, we Lieutenant Colonel Leena Bajaj, Captain Devashish Sahu, and Gentleman Cadet Parikshit Thapliyal, thank you all for being a part of the mesmerizing passing out parade. Thank you, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद.